Stop charging me under your pillow. I can't breathe, I overheat, and my battery suffers. Charge me in open air.
Stop stacking adapters on me like it's Jenga. I heat up and things trip. Spread it out and don't chain power strips.
Why am I hidden in the corner like a shame secret? Put me higher and out in the open. Your Wi-Fi isn't bad, you are.
Stop using us when we're dirty, you dumbass.
We're full of ear gunk and pocket dust.
Wipe us down and clean the mesh.
Then we'll sound good.
Stop putting me on blankets. You're blocking my vents and cooking me alive. Hard surface only, unless you like fan jet mode.
Stop bending me at the same spot every day. I'm hanging on by one sad wire. Replace me or use a strain protector. Pick one.
Stop keeping me at 100% for hours. That ages me faster. Use optimized charging. Or unplug me when you wake up.
Turn it down! Loud now means less hearing later! If people can hear your music, it's too loud! Or dropped a ring in me? Don't panic and dig around blindly. Fill a clear bag with water and press it onto my surface. Now everything looks clear.
Can't ever find my beginning? Next time you finish, pinch the end into a tiny fold before you stick it down. That little tab shows you exactly where to grab me later.
If chewing gum is stuck to your blanket, don't yank me and ruin the fabric. Dab a little lemon juice, wait a moment, then gently lift and scrape. I loosen up way easier.
If your zipper came off, park the zipper on my middle prongs to hold it steady. Feed both zipper sides into the slider and pull it up. No repair shop needed.
Soak me in water with a splash of vinegar for a bit, then rinse well. For extra cleaning, add a tiny pinch of salt to toothpaste and brush gently. Wait before you use a needle. Soak splinters in warm water with salt and a little vinegar. It softens the skin and helps me come closer to the surface so you can remove me easier.
If I'm full of gunk, rub a bit of toothpaste on me, screw me back on, and run the water for a moment. Then rinse.
If I'm slippery indoors, lightly scratch a few lines into my sole for grip. A quick mist of hairspray can also add traction. Go light and test first.
I am your pot lid. You think I'm just for cooking? Wrong. Wrap me in a cloth and I become a steam cleaner. I eat couch dirt for lunch.
I am shaving cream. Stop wiping the fog. Smear me on the glass. I create a shield that steam can't touch. Crystal clear, always.
I am an ice cube. Carpet dent? Relax. I melt, and these fibers bounce back up. Magic.
I am a dryer sheet. Your baseboards are dusty. Don't use a cloth. Swipe me instead. I grab dust and keep it away for months. Genius. I am a denture tablet. Burnt your pan? I don't care. Drop me in hot water, I fizz and destroy that black crust instantly. No scrubbing. I am baking soda. You think I'm just for cookies? Wrong. Your washer smells like old socks. I kill that odor instantly. Use me. I'm a hairdryer. Stubborn sticker won't budge? Hit it with my heat for 30 seconds. The adhesive melts and it peels right off. No residue.
I'm a shower cap. Out of plastic wrap? Stretch me over your bowls. I'm reusable, fit anything, and keep food fresh.
I'm peanut butter. Gum stuck in your hair? Don't grab the scissors. Rub me into it and the oils break down the gum. It slides right out. I'm the broken wheel. Out of 200 carts, you picked me. We're bonded now. Share this video, or every cart you ever pick will have a wheel like me. Forever. I'm your trash bag. You fight me every time because suction traps me in the can. Drill or poke a small hole near the bottom of your trash can. I'm boiling over. You walked away for 1 second and now I'm everywhere. Lay a wooden spoon across my top though, it breaks the bubble. I'm a taco. Everything falls out my bottom when you bite. Put a piece of lettuce at the bottom of my shell. First it catches everything. Lettuce is a taco diaper. You'll thank me later. I'm an extension cord. I keep coming unplugged at the worst times. Tie me and the other cord in a loose knot before plugging in.
I'm just a little light bulb. I share bright ideas every day. Follow life hacks so I can keep glowing.
Stop using me while you eat. I'm dirtier than a toilet seat and you could get infections. Eat first and scroll later. Stop chewing me. I'm not food. You're destroying your teeth for no reason. Stop cracking me on the edge. You're breaking me wrong and dropping shells inside. Don't freeze me again if I melted already. I'll never be the same and I'll lose texture. Stop flipping me all the time, smartass. I need time-build flavor. Leave me alone or I stay pale and dry. Don't use me straight from the fridge. Let me warm up or I won't mix properly. Stop throwing hot things in me. I can smolder for hours and start a fire when you're gone. I'm I'm more than just coffee now. Clean me properly or enjoy old stains and bad taste.
I'm Oats! That cereal is dyed sugar cancer!
I taste good.
Shut up! You rot the teeth! I scrub the arteries! I am the fuel I'm Pork. Spam is mystery jelly meat.
I last forever.
Silence! You are salty trash! I build real muscle! I am the protein! I'm Water. That drink is sugar and blue dye!
I have electrolytes.
Shut up! You rot the teeth! I flush the kidneys! I am life! I'm Greek yogurt! That cup is melted candy!
I'm fruity.
Shut your mouth! You are pink sugar slime! I build the muscle! I'm Chicken. That nugget is pink slime paste.
I'm fun.
Shoot up! You are ground up beaks! I build the muscle! I am the bird! I'm Loose Leaf. That bag is microplastic dust.
I'm easy.
Stop talking! You taste like paper! I heal the body! I am the herb! I'm Olive Oil. Canola oil is rancid industrial trash.
I cook.
Shut up! You smell like an engine. I protect the heart. I am liquid gold. I'm Peanuts. That jar is cake frosting.
I don't separate.
Shut it! You are palm oil and sugar. I am protein. I am the nut.
I never fully dry.
That's why we love you.
Dry me properly or I'll smell and spray bacteria.
And if you want dry, damaged skin, use me every day. I'm stripping your natural oils. Warm water cleans your skin.
I feel heavy and greasy. And you let the conditioner sit too long. It makes buildup. 3 minutes were enough.
You didn't clean me. Now I'm dirty, and that's how cuts get infected. Rinse me off and dry me after every use.
What are you doing to me?
I've been here for months. That's why we moved in.
Replace me regularly or I'll spread germs, not clean you.
And remember, dry hair pushes back and leads to cuts. Warm water softens the hair first, helping protect your skin.
Why are you pouring me straight onto your scalp? You're drying me out and making it itch. Buddy, work me into your hands first, then cleanse gently.
Wonder why your hair feels so greasy? That's because I'm made for your lengths, not your roots. Apply me from mid-lengths down, not on your scalp.
I always go first. I loosen leftover food and sugar so they don't get pushed deeper when brushing starts. Skipping me makes everything harder later. I'm the most important step, and yet most people ignore me. The toothbrush can't reach there. That's why I clean between teeth first.
If you stop using me, food stays trapped, turns into plaque, and irritates your gums. That's how bleeding, bad breath, and cavities between teeth start.
2 full minutes. Gentle pressure. Scrubbing too hard damages enamel, but slow brushing actually removes plaque. Fresh breath doesn't come from teeth alone. Ignore the tongue, and the smell comes back. Think about it. You're scrubbing the tiles but leaving the shag carpet filthy. You can use all the minty toothpaste in the world, but if you don't invite me to the party, you're just masking the scent.
I'm mouthwash. I back up the brush by reaching corners it can't. Give me time to work. Take a full cap, swish me hard around your teeth for at least 30 seconds, then spit. And for the love of everything, don't rinse with water after. You just spent 30 seconds putting me to work, and then you want to drown me down the drain?